guys, it's Lucid Dream Grower here, coming to you again with another unboxing video. This time we've got the TNB Naturals coming in here. TNB Naturals are suppliers of CO2 canisters, pH up, pH down, and we got a nice little package from these guys coming in here. So let's get into it. Let's see what we got inside. And again, let's give our overall first impression and our honest review on this. Okay, so right away I just gotta let you guys know this isn't the official box. This is just a box that they use to put everything in. So don't study the box. It's what's inside the box is what's important, and we're gonna get to that right now. Okay, right away I could see a bunch of stuff. These are just for okay. Okay, we got this sticker here from Milo Grow Gentex. Oops. Our business is growing every day. Vancouver Island, BC. Really cool. I love the skull face. We've got pH Up by TNB Naturals. Now I believe this stuff is really concentrated, so it's like a very little bit. We'll get into a more detailed review as to how these things work. We're gonna actually try them out, test them out, and see what's up with it, you know. We've got we have the large, I believe this is the largest. This is the largest canister for the CO2 canisters. At least this is my belief. I'm not sure if these guys supply a larger one than this, but this one is pretty huge. Like you could see straight up, it's like, you know, this is a 1 liter one, because as you can see, you say just add 1 liter of water, shake well, your plants will love it. That I do believe. I've seen a lot of reviews with these guys and they seem to be making some really quality products. So yeah, I can't wait to get these girls in with some CO2 from TNB. Oops. Okay, we got some Truman shears. Says stainless steel, easy to maintain, ultra lightweight, reduces hand stress. I believe that would be because of the spring in the middle. The spring loaded ones are always the better ones. After trimming bud for a really long while, your hand just seems to be cramping up, you know. So yeah, this is a really nice shears. Actually, let's open this up. Seems to be easy to come out, so let's check it out. Okay, it has the lock. Okay, the spring is actually very powerful, so it does indeed relieve stress on hands. And just by the way, I don't know if you guys could hear this, just by the way the blades pass, you know, it's actually pretty good at trimming. The rest, some of the lesser known brands, the space between the blades is really huge, causing you to not really get the clean trim effect that you might be looking for. So yeah, this is another great product here by TNB. Thanks. Let's see what else we got in here. Okay. Hold on 1 minute. I honestly am not sure what this little vial is. Okay, it's just an empty vial. There isn't anything at all in it actually. There you could see it's empty. So I believe it's just probably a knock jar, or probably might become a knock jar for me, you know. I don't know. I'll find some use with it. Okay, what else do we have in here? Okay, we've got Okay, cool. We got the TNB Naturals long sleeve full black TNB Natural jersey. Great merchandise. Look at it. Seems to be made of good quality. Not that scratchy, itchy shit. Seems to be well made. Yeah, this is pretty cool. I don't know if you guys can see it. The camera is kind of... Okay, there it is. TNB Naturals. Yeah. So we got the merchandise from TNB coming in here. What else we got in here? Okay, we got this little made up package that says stickers. So let's go ahead. Let's get the small pocket knife out. Don't want to destroy the stickers in any way. So I'm going to take my time here. Hold up, let me just work my way in around this. Okay. Got it sliced open. One side, other side. Wow. And by the way guys, this package that came in from TNB Naturals is all due to West Coast Croppers. Shout out to West Coast Croppers. Give him a follow, give him a like, check him out on YouTube. I watch all of his videos on YouTube. The guy is great, he makes great medicine, he grows great. And he's got a lot of information, so check him out. West Coast Croppers. Don't forget to shout this guy out. Give him a follow, give him a like, subscribe to his YouTube channel. Really great guy. West Coast Croppers. Shout out to you, man. Okay, we've got the magnet sticker for your fridge. Do them the TNB. You could probably stick it on any surface that's metal in your grow room or whatever. But this is really cool. What else we got here? Again, as I said, shout out to West Coast Croppers. Really great guy. Let me get it to focus. Hold up. There it is. You can see he has all of his stuff on it here. Apparently he's on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram. I have no idea what that one is, but look for him, shout him out, give him a follow, give him a subscribe, give him a like. West Coast Croppers. Got another sticker here, TNB up, TNB down. These are the pH up and pH downs. Have more TNB stickers here to decorate your grow area. Dutch Science Nutrients. I don't know if that's where the TNB company is based or what, but I just seen it in there, so you know. Got the West Coast Croppers again. That's just to show you gotta shout him out 3 times because he's that great. Hit him up. See what else we got in here. Okay. Seems like we got a bunch of rolling papers from TNB. I'm guessing it's gonna be real quality, real nice quality paper. Let's see. Seems to be really thin. First thing I look for in rolling paper is the thickness of the paper, how thick the sheet is. Can you see through it easily? You know, can't really tell from the there it is. You can see my fingers through it. That's basically what I look for. The grain in the paper, how good is it? And yeah, it seems to be nice. Can't wait to try it out. Got 3 packs of those, actually 4 packs. That's really good. So I'm not going to be needing rolling papers for a little while. Shout out to TNB Naturals. There you can see they have their website, tnbnaturals.com. Hold up, it's going to focus. Let me put this one this way, this one this way. Okay. Hold up, it's bound to focus. It's reflecting all the light from the camera back. But anyways, it says tnbnaturals.com right here. Check those guys out. Yeah. So that's it for the TNB Naturals box. all in all, I would say a lot of great products, great merchandise, and yeah, this stuff is really amazing. Can't wait to get it into the grow room and have it all set up, you know. Introducing the CO2 to my grow. I believe this is gonna be very beneficial to the girls. They're gonna love it. Yeah, shout out to TNB Naturals, West Coast Scrappers, the real solid people, you know. So yeah guys, this is it. See you next time on the next unboxing video.